It's alive! Can't figure out how to turn it around. It's alive! It has never run this smooth before at idle. I've got the throttle all the way down. It's idling at 800, 790 to 800. 219 EGT or CHT and 850s for the exhaust gas. Oil temperature is at 59 degrees, so it's not warmed up yet, but it's never run this smooth and not being warmed up yet. So yeah, so far so good. I'm probably gonna have to adjust the carburetor down just a little bit, because he recommended like 0.6 to 0.8 gallons an hour at idle, and it's doing 1.5. But yeah, it's smooth. It's awesome.